Welcome back to Contendo's series of training management system tutorials. This tutorial is going to take you through the training certificates page and will show you how to create training types you'd like the system to track for you. You'll learn how to set expiry dates on your different training courses, and finally we'll show you how to set reminders to make sure your team is always safe and trained. To get to the training certificates page from your TMS dashboard, open up the Administrator drop-down to the left of your screen and scroll down and click on the Training Certificates link. This will bring you to your User Training Certificates page, where you'll be able to see all of the different training your TMS will track. Since we don't have any training set up yet, let's click on the Training Types button at the top right to add some custom training. As you can see, we already have confined space, fall awareness, hazard awareness, and WMIS set up as default training types, so feel free to leave those in or remove them if you don't want them in there. Let's add another one to demonstrate how easy it is to create training types. Click on the Training Types button at the top right of the screen. This is a pretty self-explanatory page, so let's fill out this form to create a new training type. First, let's name it. I'm going to call it Mandatory Site Orientation because I want to make sure that anyone accessing my imaginary work site has received proper orientation. The Contendo TMS is set up with 3 default categories: professional development, safety training, and technical training. Let's categorize this orientation under technical. To further organize your training, each training type is also assigned to a system. You can create unlimited systems by clicking Systems under the Administrator tab. For this example, I've created a system called Orientations within the technical category. This will make much more sense when you have many training types added to your TMS. The next option is a confidential checkbox. Sometimes you might want to offer private training types to your employees, such as drug and alcohol programs or dispute resolution courses. You may not want all of your admins to have access, so clicking this checkbox ensures only top-level admins can see these. For this example, though, I'm going to leave it unchecked. Next, we have the option to set expiry dates or to check off that a training type does not expire. Since I want to show you how to set expiry notifications, I'm going to leave this box unchecked, even though most real site orientations are only required once. Our TMS also has the feature which allows users to upload their own certificates. I wouldn't recommend allowing users to upload any critical training such as safety training certificates, but I would allow users to add their own professional development certificates such as college diplomas or professional designation certificates. We'll leave it checked for this example. Next, we have to input the number of months we want the certificate to remain valid for. Let's set this one to 3 years or 36 months. Probably the most practical feature of our TMS is the ability to customize reminders to make sure that critical training never expires. As you can see, you can require 90-day reminders, 60 days, 30 days, 14 days, or 2 days. Let's set this one to notify us within 30 days and then have it send a final reminder 2 days before the expiry date. Finally, you can designate the person within your organization who will receive these notifications. Let's choose New User, the one we set up in the second tutorial, to receive the notifications. When you have more users in your system, you can add more users to this notification list. So now that we've completed this form, let's save it to create the new training type. There you go. We've just created a new training type. At any time, you can click the little pencil icon to edit the form we just completed. You're doing great! The next tutorial is going to show you how to use our Microsoft Excel import features, which will save you a lot of time when adding your whole team and all of your groups and training types to the TMS. See you soon!